Kiddo in line. Apparently they have some sort of anime release. Line does go pretty long. Goes around the entire block. And it just keeps going and going and going. All for this pop-up shop right here at Complex. And right around the corner, they do have a Foot Locker right here, as well as Shoe Palace Melrose. Of course, we'll look around. I haven't been to this spot in a couple years. Look at how fancy it looks. Holy cow. Place looks so fancy. Got a dope Jordan setup. Got a Vanessa Bryant book. Got Virgil's book right there. Got some Jordan art. Do got the latest releases. The one that's available at most spots. I've seen the craziest selection quite yet. They get the Dornbeckers releaser. They get all kinds of dope releases. Got the latest Jordan release right here. One for $215. The Easter 3s that I haven't heard anybody talk about. I got the Flight Clubs, Salesman, the Cherry 13s, All-Star ones right here, as well as the 9s, 14s, Kobe 81 point game right here. I'm gonna have to throw these on ASAP. Lakers, man, Luka's hurt, so I'm curious to see how they do. Man, it doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. We need Luka back before the playoffs. We got some Kobe 3s, Kobe 9s. And then these are the GT Cup 4s, right? These are the GT Cup 4s. I think these are the ones that Wemby wears. GT Cut 4s. Kind of interesting. Like a tuxedo look on these. These actually look pretty freaking dope. Pretty dope. Big difference in look since the last one. $200 for these bad boys right here. It does have Zoom X, Air Strobel. Look pretty comfy. And all of them got this, it feels like a suede, but it's like a synthetic material. Breast cancer awareness colorway right here. And this iridescent looking one right here. Pretty dope. Pretty dope, dude. Not bad. 2 bills. Oh, this one's $230. Holy crap. This one's $230. Wow. And the Zoom 2K4s, these have been widely available. And I don't know. I just think of Kobe whenever I see these because these are his first Nikes. Not his first signature, but the first Nikes he did wear. They got the Foam Posture Pros right there. This is the Nike basketball section. They do have the Shies. I did hear that the Shies have been selling out like crazy. Got the camo ones. Do got the white ones. Got gray, got black, and got a pink one right here. Okay. $130 for these. These are all smaller sizes, so I don't know what size they have. And this video will be releasing the day after, so I'm not going to throw out, I don't know if I'm going to throw out a short, but do got Kobe with his high school colors right here. I've never seen these. Size 8s right here. I didn't know they have an entire line of the Kobe high school, his high school colors. I didn't know that. I did not know that. $120 for those. They still got one of these left. We've seen various colors at different Shoe Palaces. $120 for those. They have a separate section that's Nike basketball, and then the rest of the Nikes over here. And they got the separate section right here. Wow, mahogany shells. Like, holy crap, this place looks classy. Women's section back here. Yeah, this place looks way fancy. What am I doing here? The hell am I doing here? Probably why I rarely come here. Got some Jordan 10s in the women's section. We never see 10s because 10s always come out hella limited. What was the one that came out? Was it last year? The Steels? Was it the Steels? The Shadows? They all freaking are hella limited. Does have one of the best outsoles. I don't know traction wise. I don't think they're that great for traction, but I know for tradition's sake, this is like one of the dopest ones. Has all his accomplishments right here, starting from 85 all the way to 84, 85 season, all the way to his first retirement. Pretty freaking dope. $205. This is the one that Scottie Pippen was wearing, and he was pointing to the soles, telling him to come back. $205 for those. Still got the 4s right here. These the Valentine's Day 4s? I don't remember when they came out. Oh, it's got a little smudge on the bottom. Runners, $135. Got these ones. Got Oh god, they're pins, or they're like, the hell is Bobby? What the hell are these called? I don't know what these are called. Clips? I don't know. I don't have any girls. But yeah, $185 for these. Still got the Valentine's Day forces for $125. Got all quiet for a second. I'm trying to yell because you usually have to speak out loudly. This is the women's, I guess, casual and running shoe section over here. New Balance and Asics on running, and I guess Solomon and Saucony's over here. And they always have their own merch, E40 merch apparently. And they started in Northern California, so it kind of makes sense. E40's, he's from Northern California, right? I think so. So Letterman's jacket. Yeah, what they go for? Yeah, $110 for that jacket right here. Oh, it has like a little fluffy, fuzzy hoodie. All of their collabs don't always make sense. Got a Keith Haring jacket right here. This is going for $50. That's way cheaper. Okay. They even have fitting rooms here. I don't think I've ever seen fitting rooms in a Shoe Palace. The kids section right here. They play some dope music. Men's section, they do have an Adidas side over here. And you wear these with your suits and stuff like that. Tuxedos, $110 for patent leather campus. These are clean, dude. Maybe I should get a pair for when I gotta dress up like that. Got a Bob Marley collab with Adidas. We've seen a few different ones, but I think that's the first time I've seen this one right here. The Gazelles, $110 for those. Up with some different designs. This one actually looks kind of dope. What's this? Oh, it's one of the Kareem Abdul-Jabbar collabs right here. Okay. $110 for these. They call it what? Patch something. These look pretty dope. Yeah, $110. And they got Adidas that we've seen everywhere. The Harden. What is the Harden 10s, right? Harden 10s, $160. Got their tuxedo looking one right here, $160. Are these comfortable? Are these comfy? 4D looking things right here. No laces. No laces for these. And these actually have laces. I don't think I've seen the ones with laces. $160 for those, and then $75 for these. I've never seen these jerseys right here. It's like knit material. It is a Nike. Holy crap, these are freaking dope. These are dope. I've never seen these ever. $260. Super thick, like dual layer. These are freaking dope, dude. Holy cow. I feel like these are nicer than the Authentics. I've never seen these. They only have them in LeBron. The Luka one here is just a regular swingman. They got the matching pants. Holy crap, I've never seen these. These are so freaking dope. Yeah, I definitely paid no $260, what was it? $155 for shorts, but I love the material on these. I've never seen them anywhere. Maybe if I could find them at a discount. That is crazy. Guess it does pay to come to these bougie, fancy locations. I said I've never seen that before. And this is actually pretty dope too. It's a hoodie. That's a Nike? It's a Nike hoodie? I didn't even know what brand it was. But yeah, $95. This right here is the City of Angels. Okay. This used to be 3 sections. There's only 2 right now. It looks like they're working on the backside where there was like a curtain and stuff. I forgot to show you guys that. But yeah, pretty dope. Seen stuff. Haven't seen anywhere else. Now let's see what's going on with this Foot Locker right here. This one takes a lot more traditional approach. And here they got all the Kobe's that they do have across the street. Pretty dope. Seeing a ton of Kobe's out there. We're gonna see them on sale. I don't know. Maybe we can get them at the outlets. Maybe they'll come on sale here. I don't know. I grabbed those for hella cheap. You guys saw that video. That was freaking crazy. Jordan section right here. Still see the Laker 4s right here. Not seeing them at too many spots. This is a size 8. It is a men's size. That's pretty freaking dope to see Laker 4s still available. And they still got those and those. Oh, they got the 8s too. They got the 8s as well. Pretty freaking dope. We're actually seeing sales items here. This is a men's. This is a men's Pegasus Premium. That's a really healthy discount, $80 off. That's pretty freaking dope. And then we got a few other ones, slight discounts, which is better than nothing. I guess this color is kind of tough to match with, but yeah, man, that's a real healthy discount. We do got the Vomeros, Vomero Pluses. We haven't seen too many of the Vomero Premiums anywhere though. It is pretty cool to see stuff on sale. Got a couple of the 90s, 60s right here on sale, as well as some of these. What are these? The 740s. A couple of them on sale as well. They got 3 different shies here as well. Got some on running shoes right here. These are the Cloud Monsters, right? Oh no, the Cloud Tilt. My bad. Cloud Tilt. You can see these holes are a little different. These are the Cloud Monsters right here. They're staggered. They go up and down. They call them the Tilt because these are tilted, I guess. Yeah. I got the Cloud Novas. Like, it's kind of look a little bit more like boots compared to these Cloud Monsters. But yeah, good to see these on sale because you would never see on running on sale, dude. On running, they're trying to be super, super premium. But yeah, at least you get $30 off. I haven't tried those though. I've tried these though. These are hella comfy. You got the Evo SLs, super comfy. Then dude got some AE2s on sale. I got some of the Rejuvenates on sale. Kids section right here. Not the biggest kids section to be honest. And then the women's section back here where we got all kinds of interesting sales. Getting these Romero 18, slight sale. Like I said, at least it's a start. You know, these are $30 off because these are a Vomero Plus. So at least we're starting to see some sales on these as opposed to seeing them off for retail. Because they are comfy as hell. And do got some Pegasus Premiums. Like, runners aren't buying these. I think these are more for casual wear because they are kind of heavy. I have seen, I don't know, people who look like casual runners say, hey, these are really dope. But the serious runners, I've heard them say they're just too heavy. That's what I've heard people say. Because Zoom Air does tend to be slightly heavier than most other cushioning setups. Most other midsoles are just like blown up foam or what is that? P-Max? P-Max? P-Max. I don't know. But yeah, it's like Zoom X is just so much lighter than Zoom Air, dude. They do have sales on running as well as kind of the same stuff as the men's 740s as well as the 90s, 60s. And because I'm waiting in that huge line with my kid, I'm gonna go meet up with him in a minute. He's there with his cousins. Yeah, wearing some running shoes, 1080 V14s, super, super comfy. Holy cow! Yeah, threw these bad boys on. Got them for like what, $70? I think $60. A pretty good discount. Then I'm headed to the South Bay. Hopefully, I can get a visit with at the Torrance Nike outlets. Hopefully, I can show you guys that. But yeah, just t-shirt, jeans. This is the smallest Taco Bell I've ever seen in my life. You just walk up and grab your food. Oh, Uber Eats right here or something? Oh, kind of crazy how small it is. I guess it's made to primarily deliver because I've never seen so many deliver things right in front of Taco Bell either. Literally no space to eat. That's crazy.